Hey you guys, SEK the Homesteader here. I hope everyone is doing well. Yes, SEK is back with a coupon video. You guys, I know I've been away for a good while when it comes to this coupon and I'm getting back on the grind. I'm still a little bit rusty, but you know, with summer ending, fall coming in, winter, you know, things are starting to slow up for me a little bit. So I've been preoccupied with so many DIYs, so many home improvements around the house, just all throughout my house, that I haven't had the extra time to be running to coupon. But this is the season. So SEK is getting back to her couponing, and I started today. And I know this may not be, it should be a necessity in everybody's house. But what I realized, that in my household, I was not keeping Vaseline. And y'all already know, growing up in the household, we always had a giant jar of Vaseline. So today, what I did was I used my Care Pass. Remember, I told you guys to go sign up for a Care Pass that you would get every month for $10, right? So I used 3 of my cards today. So I did 3 different transactions. So my Care Pass was $10. So my total came up to $12 and some change. I rolled my $10 into it. I paid $2.12 and I got back $3 on each one of my cards. And again, I did this transaction 3 times. I started to do it 5 times, but I said, well, let me go and check at some of the stores because I know everybody was doing this deal in the coupon world. So if you could do a search on it and see what people was hauling this week in CVS, it is Vaseline. Yes, Vaseline. And we all know this is, we're going into the months of moisture where the body needs moisture. So this Vaseline is a cocoa butter based healing jelly. It's very good for your skin, your lips, your feet, whatever, however way you want to use it, where you want to use it on your body, it is good. So this was a very easy transaction. I may go out and do this maybe 2 or 3 more times, depending on if the stores are stacked, because I did 2 at one store and 1 at the other store, because they have definitely been clearing off the shelf. When I checked the coupon world, they are snatching these Vaselines up. And I said, let me get out here and do the same thing. So this is what I did today. CVS haul, again, 3 transactions. I used my Care Pass and I rolled that over into it, which was $10, and I got back $3. All right, you guys. So this is an easy peasy haul. If you need it, go get it. I probably will save my extra care bucks that I did get back to do another transaction later this week, or maybe the following week. I'll start to roll over my ECBs. I definitely need to restock on my ECBs, so I gotta get back in the grind of the couponing and building up my ECBs as I shop. So I'll definitely be bringing more videos to you guys, and I will definitely be trying to focus on new items, but I felt like I needed to share this. If you are a Vaseline petroleum jelly person, which we all should have this, and this is very good for you know, accidents, rashes, cuts, burns, things of that nature. So this is definitely a must-have in your emergency medicine cabinet. A must. All right, you guys. So that's the reason why I'm doing this video. Somebody might say, oh, Essie is hauling Vaseline. Yes, we need this in the household, you guys. So I hope you guys enjoy this. Get out there and get you some if you can. Definitely catch this deal. This is a win-win deal. All right, you guys. So this is SEK the Homesteader. Thank you guys for tuning in. I'm back. Peace.